Here you go guys, just a little video to show you guys right a couple hours after picking up this Charger Hellcat. Wanted to install my mirror tap for my Escort Max 360. So this is the power supply right here. You just mirror tap it to the power supply in the back here. Make sure you're attaching it. Focus camera. The red wire to the yellow, a pink and yellow wire, and the black on the black. So let me turn this around. Hopefully it shows right there. All right, and there's a tab here that you can push to pull this thing out. Okay, camera focus. My hands are shaking, sorry. Right there. So that's how you do mirror taps. You don't have a dangling wire. And then I'll install my my BlendMount, this one, the BlendMount holder for my radar detector, which is awesome, right here. So let me install that so you can see the finished product. All right, give me a moment. So here you go guys. So this slips in and latches on. There's a little notch in here, a triangle notch. You just pop it in there, and this one just clips onto this one. So this is two-piece, pretty easy, and you just need a little pry tool to pry this out when you want to break it apart. So that's how it looks like. So this is the BlendMount mirror mount. I'll put a link of this in the description below. I have a discount code if you want to get this. They're rather expensive. I think it's $100. Use my discount code. I think you get a 15% discount, and I get a little commission. But I love this. I have this in all my cars, as you can see, and they're safe because you cannot just pull this out. You can't. There's a way to remove this, a technique to remove this BlendMount. Your radar detector cannot be stolen easily, and it's adjustable. You can adjust it the way you want it. This is how my setup works. And yeah, hopefully this helps you guys out. If you like this video, share it and click the like button, and subscribe if you will. I'll link the description of the BlendMount mirror mount. It's specific to your car. You get the discount code below if you order it from that link. All right, take care. We'll talk to you soon. See you then. Bye.